Okay, here is one more exercise in AutoCAD 2D basic drawing for beginners. Now let's see how we are going to draw this. See, there is a circle here. This inner circle is having a diameter of 24 and this outer circle is having a diameter of 32. Okay, there's a cutout here of an angle 20 degrees. Okay, and for the center distance from here to this first line is 32 of height, and then from the same center to the base here is having a height of 36, and down here there's an arc and the radius is 80, and the center, the distance from this end point to this end point is 52. Okay, so let's start drawing and see what we can do. So I'll start with the diameter 24 and 32. So open your AutoCAD, select your center diameter, click anywhere. You have 24, enter, zoom out, then center diameter again 32, enter. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from the center point to this of height 32. So I'll take my line command, go vertically down 32, and I'm going to offset this. See, the gap between this is 4, so I'll offset it 2 here, 2 here. So take your offset command, specify the distance. I'll choose 2. I'll click this line, move to the right, click the center one, move to the left. Okay, now I can delete the middle one. We don't need it anymore. Alright, so we have this done. Now let's see how we can draw this line. We want to draw this line of 52. So I'll just draw a line anywhere. Just draw a straight horizontal line, give it a dimension of 52. Now move the line, select the line, and then use the shortcut M, press enter for move, select the midpoint, and then shift and then right click, and then take mid between 2 points. Now click here and click here. Okay, the line will automatically position itself in the center. Alright, so from this point I'll draw another helping line to help me get this 36 height. So I'll draw a line vertically of 36. So line from the center, I'll come down 36, enter. Good. Now at this point I have to draw this arc of radius 80. Okay, so what I'll do is, there are so many ways of doing it. I will prefer using the center radius. Click anywhere, draw a circle of radius 80. Okay, now I'll select the circle, and then I'll move the circle by selecting the quadrant here and then position it to this place. Okay, and then I'll just add lines from this to this, and then another line from here to this, and then I'll trim. Okay, I can delete this center line. Good. Now we can trim the lines that we don't need. Let's trim all of them. Okay, now what is left is the angle here. So what I'm going to do is I'll take my line command. Now remember, if I click the center, the angle starts going anti-clockwise in AutoCAD. It reads like this, 0. You can even see I'm having 0 degrees now. Now when I start to move up, then it starts to count 27, 29, 30. So up to this place is 90. Okay, and the angle formed here is also 20. So which means I'll draw an angle. This line is supposed to be 80, not 90, but 90 will be vertical. So I'll draw 80, an angle of 80. So I'll just press on my tab key to shift the angle command, then I'll enter 80. Alright, I'll take the line command again, or if you want you can take the line command again. If not, you can mirror this line. Select it, click the mirror, and then automatically it will give you the angle that you want. Okay, so you can measure to see. Select this and this. Okay, you can see the angle is 20. Okay, so I'll trim TR shortcuts, and then you trim the unnecessary lines. Okay, now we need to trim this part. Now if you check, there's a radius here. This place is fillet. They have a fillet here of 4 mm. So take your fillet, radius of 4, enter. You can choose multiple so that you can do as many as you want. Click here, click here, click this side and this side. Okay, so our work is neatly done. You can see. Now I would like to increase the line width and then give it dimension. So for my dimension, I always like to create a new layer for my dimension so that you can see it clearly. So I'll just rename, change the color as well, and then the line width is 0.25. okay, now make it active and then select your where you want to dimension. So I'll choose this measure here. Now I'll go for linear and then dimension this place 52. Let me go for linear again, from center to this line have 32. Again from center to this point I have, is it that place? Let's check. Yeah, is it from the center to this place? This, you have 36, and then we have diameter, this one 32, diameter again for this is 24. Now linear for this place, you can see is 4, and then yeah, I think the fillet radius for the fillet, this fillet, I'll position it, so let me move it from this place to this side. Is okay. Yeah, 4. Radius again for this side, it's also 4. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to do, and we've done it. We've achieved. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more tutorials like this in AutoCAD. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.